this is the, I don't know, third or fourth update. You know what that means. I'm doing a video.
We won't post it on Facebook if you don't make it super long.
Alrighty, ladies are walking around and, excuse me, Mom. Mama's starting to.
What go there, buddy?
They're all running around. I mean, look at this little one. And it's Potato Cat, the biggest one.
Baby, he was the littlest one when we got him. Look at him.
Yeah. They're climbing up. Some of them, like, they'll follow you out. They'll follow you out of the gate, but they won't go any further. Oh gosh. Where are you on? Where are you on me? You just gonna climb? Nope, that about wraps up this video. Besides Chewy, I will show you. We have Ray. She's bigger and definitely bigger, more active. Rolled down the paper her toilet paper. The reason this video is going so slow is because mainly I have to shake off all of the kittens that are climbing on me. That's Chewy. Climb the cat tree now. Yep, that's about it. Subscribe.